Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paintology tutorials. Here we're going to show you how to do paint by numbers. It's fairly easy to do once you get the hang of it. So we have the colors we're going to put down on this dog here, this drawing of the dog, and the colors are numbered as you can see. So this is a simple paint by numbers drawing, but it's very different to what you're used to on the other apps you'll find, which you select a region and then it just colors it. Here the idea is to get you better in drawing, so you have to put down the colors yourself. So let's zoom in this drawing and find out, look at some of the numbers. So we can see the nose here, we have 1 around the face of the dog, so we have 3, 6. So let's put down the 2 and 3. Okay, so zoom out of that, zoom, and then go to, let's zoom out. Okay, and then let's load our color palette 2 and 3. So we go select 2, select the color palette there, and then select out of it, and then select again, and then we have 2, 3. So as you can see, 2 and 3 are loaded there, so we don't have to go and pick the colors, we can just pick it straight from the palette. So let's zoom in again, and let's do 2. So we know 2, so for 2 we had this color, so we're going to put that down. We might want to increase it a little bit, the brush size. Take it down a bit. So you can take your time and make it more as accurate as possible. There as well. So now we're going to pick 3, which is this one. So as you can see, I'm just simply putting the colors down, just like you would in a normal drawing. You can take your time and spend as much time as you like. So you see how this goes along. So I will zoom out of this and you can see how I'm going to complete the picture. And so why don't you give it a shot and see how it goes. Until next time, see you then. Bye.